Today I'm going to be reviewing NUMANU's 2025 upgraded collapsible stool. This one has a padded top that's built in. It's actually really nice. You can see there, it's memory foam. They sell other ones. They sell some that have a padded top that spins to 1,000 pounds. This one holds up to 620 pounds. Really easy to use and has a nice little handle there to take it with you. So let's go ahead and take a look at how this works. So all you have to do is grab both sides and you'll see it opens up like this. This is upside down, but that's the way it looks like right there. You can sit on this. If you're working on a car, you can have this. Maybe you're in line at an event for a long time and you need to sit. You can take this with you easily. It's also a perfect table or footstool, and it's easy to collapse. It goes from 2.5 inches to 18 inches. So you can decide where you want it. You can have it that high. You can just decide and let it go down like that, or completely collapse it. And to lock it, just on the back here, it's just a real quick turn and it locks in place. This does very well. It's got 4.4 stars, over 3,000 plus reviews on Amazon. It's an Amazon choice, and last month, 400 plus of these were sold. What's also really nice is this comes with a lifetime US-based warranty, so if you have any issues, just contact them and they're gonna take care of you. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.